Welcome to our channel UK Cars in-depth look at the 2025 Toyota bZ4X, Toyota's cutting-edge all-electric SUV. Packed with futuristic design, advanced tech, and impressive performance, the bZ4X is built for the future of driving. Let's dive into what makes this EV stand out. Exterior. The 2025 bZ4X boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design, with sharp LED headlights, a bold front grille-less look, and a sporty stance. The sculpted body lines enhance efficiency, while the 20-inch alloy wheels give it a strong presence. Available in multiple colors, the bZ4X is as stylish as it is functional. Performance. Powered by an advanced electric motor, the bZ4X delivers up to 214 horsepower with all-wheel drive, ensuring smooth acceleration and confident handling. Its estimated range reaches up to 250 miles per charge. The regenerative braking system helps maximize efficiency, while the X mode and grip control improve traction for various terrains. Interior. Step inside the bZ4X to experience a spacious, high-tech cabin. The minimalist dashboard features a 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Soft touch materials, a panoramic glass roof, and heated seats create a premium feel. The cabin is designed for comfort and connectivity, offering ample cargo space and smart storage options. Safety features. Toyota equips the bZ4X with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite. Features include pre-collision system, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. The 360-degree camera and parking assist make city driving in tight parking spots easier and safer. Prices. The 2025 Toyota bZ4X starts at around $43,000 for the base trim, with higher trims reaching up to $50,000. Federal and state EV incentives may reduce the cost, making it a competitive option in the electric SUV market. Outro. With futuristic styling, impressive range, and top-tier technology, the 2025 Toyota bZ4X is a strong contender in the EV market. Whether you're looking for efficiency, performance, or advanced safety, this all-electric SUV delivers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews.